Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to check MAC address for your earbuds Plantronics Backbeat Pro. You have to start by open Backbeat application and of course you need to add your earbuds to the app, then you will see the same menu. You cannot install the application for your iOS device, so only for Android. And on Android, you cannot find it in the Play Store. You need to use your browser and install it there. You can check a video at this channel how to install if you don't know. Now, after that, go to the settings at the right top. And then you need to click Headset Support line. Right here we have MAC address. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!